right, sixth grade. Let's everybody settle down, please. All right, thank you so much for coming down. We are excited to have some of our SADD members here today to present to you about seatbelt safety. Some of you may have seen them standing outside this morning in the cold with their posters reminding everybody how important it is to wear your seatbelts. And as you know, SADD is such a huge program here, so we strongly encourage you to get involved. And this is a little bit different because this is some SADD members from both 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. So they collaborated together and they decided that they wanted to spread awareness about seatbelt safety, okay? So if there's any ideas that any of you have, even if you don't want to present, you just have an idea that you'd like to promote or spread awareness about, come and let me know and we'd be happy to look into that for you, okay? So, before we get started, we just need to remind you that it's not always easy to get up here, so we need to be a respectful audience. And at the end, they're going to have some question and answers, and if you choose to participate, we have some candy to give out, but we need to stay respectful. And we are going to offer your teachers, because they work so hard, to take a break, so if they want to head out, they're more than welcome to. But I wanted you to just give them a nice round of applause for all that they do for you every day. Okay, so with that, I'm going to hand this over, and I'm going to expect all of you to listen very carefully. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Naraya, and I'm a member of SADD. I'm in 8th grade here at Central, and I've been a SADD member for the past 3 years. The SADD representatives from each of our grades, we've had a couple, and we all came here together to create a slideshow that educates you guys about seatbelt safety, so we hope you enjoy it.
Hi, I'm Caitlin Wood. Hi, I'm Kylie Duddy, and this is what you can do to promote seatbelt safety. Change is a ripple effect, meaning it only takes a few people to make a big change. So what can you do? Well, there are many things you can do to promote change in your community. Some ideas to start with are:
educate other people on the importance of seatbelt safety. If you see someone not wearing a seatbelt, tell them how dangerous it could be. Remember this presentation every time you think to not put on your seatbelt, and join SADD to promote change in yourself, our school, and our community.
Hi, I'm Mikey.
Hi, I'm Thomas, and this is why seatbelts are important.
Seatbelts keep you secure in a vehicle. They prevent injury during an accident. It is against the law in Massachusetts to not wear your seatbelt in a moving vehicle. If you don't wear a seatbelt, certain safety features in a vehicle, such as an airbag, actually become a possible safety hazard in the event of a car crash. Seatbelts protect you from projection, or in simpler terms, flying out of a car during a car crash.
Hello, my name's Lena Prono, and I'm a SADD member. Hi, I'm Maeve Connor. Seatbelt safety statistics. Many people think that seatbelts are actually useless, and the only reason people preach to wear them is because it's the law. That is actually false. There are many studies that prove crucial statistics that support the importance of wearing a seatbelt.
In America alone, seatbelts have saved an estimate of 14,955 people in the past year and 374,376 people since 1975. In Massachusetts, seatbelts reduce the risk of death by 45% among solely front seat passengers and reduce the risk of serious injury by 50%.
Hi, I'm Caroline McGraw, and this is the right way to wear your seatbelt. The correct way to wear your seatbelt is over your collarbone and across the middle of your chest. Your arm should be over the belt. Although you might not wear it this way due to discomfort, some cars have adjustable belts that can help you stay both comfortable and safe. Even if you feel uncomfortable wearing your seatbelt, you're better safe than sorry.
Across your body and low on your chest. Safe driving.
Seatbelt safety in real life. Wear your seatbelt. This isn't just something your parents tell you when you get into the car. Seatbelts and seatbelt safety is actually something that is seriously discussed and thought of in the car industry. Before a car can go out on the market, it is thoroughly crash tested with and without seatbelts.
A car has to pass has certain regulations in order to be sold, but that doesn't mean a car is completely safe no matter what. That is why it is important to know how to wear your seatbelt correctly and always use it.
Hi, my name is Naraya again, and this is about double buckling. Double buckling is the action of 2 or more people using the same seatbelt in a car. Usually people feel the need to double buckle if there isn't enough room in a vehicle for the amount of people they have. It is illegal and a huge safety risk. Every person in the car needs their own seatbelt, and it can be very dangerous to try to squeeze more people in a vehicle than the amount it was designed to hold. Next time your friend needs a ride, but you don't have enough room, instead of double buckling, you can order an Uber or find another ride.
Hi, I'm Katie Walker, and this is a video that we found that will show you what would happen if you didn't wear your seatbelt and you got in an accident. This is a video that we made that would show you what would happen if you got in a car accident. Even though this is just a video, it can still happen and it should be taken seriously.
Seatbelts can prevent injury like this.
Oh my god! Oh, number 1? Yeah. Car accident? Well, no. What? She was wearing her seatbelt.
A 5-second decision could have saved lives.
Always be aware and always on the right.
It's important to wear your seatbelt every time you get in a car.
So we hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to wear your seatbelt. Thank you for listening.
All right, so 6th grade, thank you so much for being a great audience. You did a really good job today. Hopefully you learned some things. And again, if there's something that you would like to have SADD present about, or if you would like to get involved in SADD, please let us know. And I want one last big round of applause for your SADD members today that did such a nice job. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Naraya De Silva, and I'm an 8th grade SADD member here at Central Middle School.
My name is Cooper Nelson. I'm also an 8th grade SADD member. I've been a member of SADD all 3 years.
SADD is an acronym for Students Against Destructive Decisions. Students Against Destructive Decisions is a program here at Central that takes place during student study block.
A big thing we focused on in SADD this year is seatbelt safety. So we just gave a presentation on seatbelt safety, and earlier this morning we went outside and held up signs for drivers as they drive by to see, just so people can be aware, because awareness is a good thing to spread.
Yeah, we've also focused on other topics such as disability awareness, anti-bullying, and Teacher Appreciation Week.
A big thing that I really appreciate about SADD is the inclusion. Like, really anybody can join at any time. So like maybe you're a 6th grader and you're a little hesitant to join a club right at the start of the year. You know, later as the year goes on, you can join, and it's a great time. It really is.